Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Motorola One Vision, for the first you have to enter the settings. Then you have to click on the connected devices. Right now tap on the connection preferences. Click on the printing right here. And if you want to connect printer, just click on the default print service. And right now our smartphone is looking for the printer. So when you want to connect, you have to click on the printer that you have. In my case, this is the HP Color LaserJet Pro M4. And if you have any problem, you can also click on the add service and get the plugin. So if you are using the brother printer, for example, you have to get this plugin from the Play Store, install, and everything will be fine. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.